Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Walmart Pay. So first of all, open the Walmart app on your Android or iOS device. If you have already saved credit, debit or gift cards to your Walmart account, you'll see them listed. If you haven't saved any cards yet, we'll ask you to add one more or more credit or debit cards or Walmart gift cards. Choose the payment method you want to use with Walmart Pay. We'll use the gift card value in your account first unless you switch this option to off. Bring paper coupons to the cashier or self-checkout as usual. When you're done shopping, go to any checkout lane and scan your items, then either open Walmart Pay in the app or open your phone's camera, hold your phone over the QR code on the register to pay. Walmart Pay can use credit, debit or gift cards saved to your Walmart account. You should hear a chime and see confirmation. We'll send a notification to your device when your e-receipt is ready. There are no paper receipts with Walmart Pay.